Hello, wow. I'm sorry. Actually, it's been a while since I'm doing this again. So, hello, yay. And today we're gonna unbox. This is Clawdeen. Um, yeah, this already been a while, and the box already been getting dusty. So, I really want to unbox it before it become fall out because polypropylene. So, before we open this, let's take a look into the box. Okay, so this is Creepover part Creepover party line. This is there's illustration from her from one of the oldest artwork that they use. Actually, it's kind of cute. And then let's take a look at the behind. There's a big illustration. Them, I mean the crew in a bedroom having fun, eating pizza, playing with their pet, etc. And there's instead a little fact about them in here we can see anything that must have any click over. There's maybe four different language in here. Okay, before without further ado, let's open this. Let me pause for a while. So okay, I already opened the from the I mean I already removed it from the box. So let's see one by one. We start with everything that can be said. So first thing she can be good. Okay, focus. Yeah, she can be because so that can it has a little written on it, but yeah, I can't really read it. Anyway, there's a little handle, little hole that you can hold the drink. Then the other thing that comes with her is neon crescent moon pillow. It's actually not a hollow pillow. It's rubbery and you can squish it. But actually you can you can squish it, but yeah, it has printed eye, mouth, and like slimy thing above the head. Yeah, I mean it's not like any Barbie episode that have pillow, but it's just a hollow plastic that not have anything in the back of it. It's cute though. You can kind of switch it in the yeah, the thing that can be for this like I don't know what it's called, but yeah, has a thing that in the front has like a fur detail on it, like hmm, yeah, it's open in the back, so you can so she can really get it in it. The next thing is this coffin shaped pizza. It has like spider, bell pepper, and maybe pepperoni on it. And it has a like spider web around it. Conventional thing. It's printed in the front, and it also came with this box of the pizza. Okay, I don't have my tripod on. Here. You can open it easily. I will definitely. It's printed in the front and nothing inside of it. I will definitely store the pizza in here. Wow. Yeah, and it's even bigger than the pizza. Yeah, but yeah, let's just store inside of it. The next thing that chicken is the pet present. There's solid purple color on it with printed in the ear, the eyes, and the present necklace, and of course it's sculpted on the present, but it has painted detail on it. She's solid. I don't know he or she. It's always it's solid, and you can go wiggle or maybe like you can kind of slightly move head like this, but it don't really have any articulation though. And also the chair for present, it looks like I don't know, like yeah, it has fur detail on it, crescent moon that came into a gold color. It's beautiful. Now let's move to the Miss Clawdeen herself. She is so persistent. Adequate, no pixelation. It is good. I don't know if she's slightly wonky, if she looks like this, but I don't really care about it. She can wear this crop shirt that says "Creep all day." It's velcro in the back, so yes. And also she can use this fur jacket. Okay, it's it's soft. It has this plastic pom pom on it. I mean, hmm, why it's not even real pom pom? Why? I don't know. Maybe my purchase is up. She also wearing this. I don't know, capri or maybe a trouser or pajama pant with crescent moon all over the place, and it has elastic that say monster monster. So I will, this one is not velcro and this has elastic on it, so yeah. She also comes with this furry slipper that has like a little monster painted detail in the front. It has that fur detail on it, but it's not painted. So, and last not least, she has this knee articulation, and then with elbow. She don't have any chest articulation. And then have cancer here is actually the color is pretty perfect. I see perfect for it totally. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you again. Bye.